welcome to the currency call today. So this is the currency call where we share our analysis and ideas for a specific currency for each day. So the schedule of the week is usually Monday Aussie and Kiwi, Tuesday Euro, Wednesday Pound, which is today, Thursday Yen and Gold, and Friday Canadian Dollar. So I see many new names here today, and a lot of you guys are from Traders Club too. So yeah, I will run this poll just to find out if it's your first time here. Yeah, so while you guys are filling out the poll, just to let you guys know that this webinar is going to be very beneficial to both the long-term investors and short-term traders. We will be going through what could move prices, possible trade ideas, and also highlighting potential targets and risk. Disclaimer here, any information shared during this session is not intended to be a trade recommendation. It is solely the opinion and views of the speaker. So please remember to do your own analysis prior to entering any trades. So a quick look at the poll. Yeah, so actually most of you guys are from the Traders Club. So, right, yeah, everybody here today is from the Traders Club. So I will just do a quick introduction of Jin, and then I will just pass the time. I do the body cost. Yeah. Okay, so since everybody is from the Traders Club, I will skip the Traders Club introduction, but I will just show you guys the 4-day course. Make sure you guys are in. Give me a minute. Share the screen here. So yeah, if you can look at the screen, make sure you drop into the 4daycourse.lcms.com.sg. I believe many of you guys already attended, or if not, this is really the 4-day course to attend. We do have the videos recording of the previous session in the Traders Club already, but this session will be different because it's live. It's live. Jin will be doing it live, and all coaches will be there to answer all your questions. So I'll just skip down to the bottom because all these you guys probably know. So yeah, you go learn the exact 5-step strategy that Jin uses, and most importantly is because it's done live, you can ask the questions on the spot. You'll be given the indicator, which is already in the Traders Club. Yeah, so as mentioned, it's gonna be fully streamed online, and you will learn all this from basic all the way to mastering technical analysis and your economic fundamental stuff. Yeah, so you guys are from the Traders Club already, you guys can get the recording for free. But like I already emphasized a lot of times, it's going to be live, so it's going to be very beneficial. We will answer your questions on the spot. So it will be on the 1st December, 3rd December, 8th December, and 10th December. Tuesday, Thursday. Classes will be held on 7 p.m. GMT plus 8 for most of our students here that are from Singapore, Malaysia, Philippines. So you can join us after your work hours. Yeah, so everything will be given to you guys. And it's just as simple as clicking on this join now button, and you will be brought to the Facebook group, and just join the Facebook group straight away, and you will just wait for important updates as we go along nearing to the dates, 1st December. So yeah, just make sure you guys join, get all your questions answered. Don't be left behind with any doubts that you guys may have. So with that, I'll pass the time now for Jin for the currency call.
Short and sharp. That's the link in the chat there for the 4-day course group. I think most of you, as Kiwi said, most of you are already in the 4-day course. So if you can, if you're not already, click join and get in. If you can, get onto, well, not if you can, you have to. I'm twisting your arm, I'm putting a gun to your head. Copy that link, put it on your Facebook profile, send it on your WhatsApp groups, send it to any and everyone that you know and get them on board. Make sure they join. You know it's 4 days, you know it's absolutely free. You know it's good for them, right? So looking straight into the news today, we are talking about the pound, focusing on the pound and the pound US dollar. Not a lot of news. We had some pound employment numbers, the UK employment numbers yesterday. I'll try to go back to that. So we had the UK employment numbers yesterday. Claimant count was a lot better than expected, a lot better than previous, and the unemployment rate came out as expected. Those did not really move the prices too much. However, it was the talk about how they might have a deal. I can't find it here, but they might have a deal with for Brexit. You know, whether they're going to go through the whole thing and actually have a deal coming around. With that, that actually brought that optimism towards the pound. Okay, so because of the talk about Brexit, so remember yesterday I said that with all the election talk almost over, now it's back to focus on Brexit. With Brexit talks being quite positive, we have seen that upside move on the pound US dollar. So this is the pound US dollar on the H4 time frame. Actually, before I go into H4, looking at it on the day one, on the daily time frame, you can see that the last time we approached this 1.3240 level, this blue line here, was back in August this year. Okay, so August 18 this year, it hit that level, came straight back down towards the 1.3040 level, bounced back up. When it broke above 1.3240, it actually went up towards 1.3432 before that big retracement all the way back down. At this point right now, with the pound dollar on the daily time frame looking like it's broken 1.3240, I do think that there might be further upside on the pound dollar, especially with that optimism from Brexit. So looking at it on the H4 time frame, you know, it looks very nicely broken up, but I don't think it's going, based on the technical levels, I don't think it's going to be a straight line upwards. I think it will probably come back down, test this 1.3240 level again before bouncing up towards wait, I can't see my numbers, towards 1.3432, right? So those of you who are familiar with the indicators, the tools that I use, you can see that my sped up MACD, my faster MACD here is showing that it's crossing down a little bit. We are approaching a bit of the overbought region. So because of those, I think that as much as it looks like it's going to keep going up, we might see it test a bit lower, maybe not as much, but test a bit lower before the upward move again. So with that, you know, at this same level, you could be looking at 1.3270, a 50 pip stop loss, or a good 100 and almost 150 pip take profit. 1:3, a risk reward of 1:3, risk 50, make 150, quite a straightforward trade. If it doesn't come back down, it just goes straight up from there, you could be looking at it, if it breaks above 1.32, even 1.328, 1.3290, so you'll be looking at a 70 pip stop loss for a good 120 pip take profit. If it doesn't retrace back, it just goes straight up. So the levels are 1.3270 to 1.3290. Those are the levels that we're looking to buy at. With that expected upward move in the pound dollar, casting back into the euro pound, we saw that big downside on the euro pound yesterday, mainly because of how the pound dollar was moving. The pound dollar was moving yesterday, that upward move. So we're looking at that same thing. If it continues to go up, we could actually see the euro pound go down. But that's a big but here, is the euro US looks like it's going to bounce off this 1.18 level, as we spoke about yesterday, towards the 1.19. Looks like that move is forming up towards that level. This would mean that I still come back to the point where I think the euro pound will probably sit at this 8895 level with more upside. And you can see based on my price action here, it looks like it's going to cross back up, but that's going to conflict it. So it's going to sit at this 8895 level, maybe until the almost towards the end of the week before potentially further upside back towards the 8978 level. So not straight away, but maybe later into the week towards the 8978 level. Okay, so actually not a lot to share about the pound dollar or the euro pound. So I want to do a further cast back, right? So just for you guys who are attending right now, look at the New Zealand dollar zooming in the last, put on our H1 time frame, in the last 3 hours, it's gone up a good 70 pips, right? Why it's done that? Mainly because of the Reserve Bank of New Zealand with their decision not to do any changes to interest rates, and also being quite positive about how the economy is performing. They're actually saying that it actually doesn't look as bad as they expected, so it's quite positive. And they actually didn't talk about negative rates. They said that they're not too sure whether this positivity is going to bring about negative rates. So they actually maybe put negative rates into a bit of a back burner. So with that, we saw that upward move, a good 70 pips on the New Zealand US dollar upwards. At this point right now, should you be looking to buy or sell? I would say, definitely don't look to sell, but it looks like it's outside of the Bollinger area. It's testing that it's broken above that 6856 level. It looks like it again might come back down, bounce off this level before testing higher. So I would say a bit too late to enter a trade right now. Look for a retracement, look for a bit of a retracement before looking for continual upside towards the 0.7 resistance level for the New Zealand US dollar. All right. For those of you who have just popped into the call, big notice to always make sure you turn up at 11 o'clock, because there are days that we go through things really quickly. We know everyone here, everyone's a regular already, so sometimes we go through things extra quick. Make sure you turn up at 11, not 11:15 or 11:20, just so that you can shortcut everything. Steve is laughing because he knows that we want to catch people off guard. So I'll pass it back to Jinwei.
All right, thank you, Jin. So if you guys missed the call, I will upload this up in the YouTube channel. I'm going to post the links right now to subscribe and join the Telegram channel, the YouTube channel, and also our Traders Club. So for Traders Club members, remember tonight we have the Wednesday coaching call with Daniel, where he'll be talking about trend tonight. So do join us tonight at 8 p.m. And so for those that just joined in that have no idea what is this Traders Club about, I'm just going to do a quick sharing. This is the Traders Club. So if you're already in the Traders Club and you need to get something done, just go ahead. People that are interested in the Traders Club, do stay around for this short 3 minutes presentation. So this is our private Facebook group where we teach, guide, signal, and coach you to be a profitable trader. So regardless whether you are new, experienced, part-time or full-time, this is the place to be. I know a lot of you guys have joined us from the Telegram, so you have been getting the signals for free, but you know when to get into the trade, but you do not know where to exit or know how to exit. So in the Traders Club, we actually signal the trades earlier than in the Telegram, and we actually show you the analysis behind the trades. So, we give you the strategy behind the signals and actually guide you on where to exit for specific reasons. I have no idea why Facebook is not showing. Okay, yeah. So as you can see for this trade, we actually post up the analysis here, and the analysis is like the exact 5 steps that we use for all our signals and what Jin teaches in the 4-day course. So in the long run, you you'll not only earn from the signals, but you also learn how to trade better. Yeah, we do also tell you when to exit, whether it's, okay, the internet is rather slow today, but we actually tell you when to exit with reasons, whether it's on TP1, TP2, or TP3. Yeah, so if you guys want to learn new strategies, we actually have the weekly live call on Monday, where Jin will go through things like, he will usually do a group coaching with everybody, and then we will do some signals coaching and also the economic roundup for the week and the week ahead. So we also have like the Wednesday session where we teach things like trend, channels, support resistance lines, chart patterns, candlestick patterns, and a whole list of tools you can use here. And you can rewatch the 4-day FX Kickstarter here, and also download the custom indicator that Jin uses. If you realize he showed you guys what's that fast MACD about, yeah, this is the thing. This is the indicator that you can download here. So in short, if you want to join this group, I've already put up the link, but you can hop over to tradersclub.lcms.com.sg. It's a paid subscription of $199 a year, which is less than $1 a day. So if you are facing some uncertainty or taking an unnecessary risk on your trades, join this club and get some guidance towards profit and get some coaching to improve your confidence and strategy. So with a close-knit group of traders, coaches to guide you through trading, your trading will definitely be more profitable and enjoyable. So if you haven't already, just hop over and click on this link to join the club for $199 per year. So yeah, with that, thank you guys for your time, and bye.
Before that, again, Andy just asked about the one-to-one mentoring. Daniel, you want to spend a minute telling about what you do at the one-to-one, please?
Right, sure. Okay, great. So the one-to-one coaching is basically, as you mentioned, one-to-one. I can focus on your trading. I'll be mentoring you. I'll be looking at your trades, your actual trades, and to review it. And we have to discuss on how further to improve, to reduce your mistakes, and to capitalize on your strengths and weaknesses as well. And then once we've done that, we will. And of course, everything is based on the 5 steps method LCMS traders which Jin has created. And then what was going to happen, then I will tailor, once we get that done, we will also tailor to your lifestyle and what kind of availability you are to do trading. If you're a busy person, what do you do? We also will tailor to all the mistakes here. So in the end, by 12 sessions, you'll be quite confident in your trading, and you know what to do. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. So okay. So for those who are interested in the one-to-one coaching, do PM me on it, and I'll get back to you. No matter which country you are, I'll get back to you. It's always suitable, the timing. So with that, I'll see you guys tomorrow, same time. Bye.
Well, actually, he will see you tonight for coaching. So we're always around. So yeah, bye.